Discover a diverse and expansive collection of the finest Sony cameras that cater to the evolving needs of photographers and content creators. Sony's commitment to innovation has resulted in an ever-expanding range of cameras, ensuring there's a perfect fit for every photographer, from seasoned professionals to avid travelers, content creators, and vloggers. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Sony cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Say hello to the Sony Alpha A7C Mark II, ranked as the 5th best Sony camera available. This compact marvel incorporates the imaging prowess of the full-sized A7 IV into a more portable and travel-friendly body. Featuring a stabilized 33-megapixel BSI CMOS imager and a 10-bit 4K 60 video engine, it boasts the latest iteration of Sony's real-time tracking system. The rangefinder-style design may not be universally appealing, but the camera's enduring battery life and weather-resistant construction render it an ideal companion for globetrotters. Those desiring more pixels can opt for the A7CR, which exchanges the 33-megapixel chip for a higher-resolution 60-megapixel sensor. Designed for enthusiasts of rangefinder-style cameras, the A7C Mark II stands out as one of the few full-frame options with this distinctive design. Its compact size makes it a perfect match for smaller primes and zoom lenses, creating an elegant kit. Vloggers will appreciate the stabilized sensor and front-facing display, enhancing versatility. The Sony A7C Mark II impresses with its stabilized full-frame sensor, compact magnesium build with dust and splash protection, industry-leading autofocus system, and remarkable battery life. Priced at $21.98 US. The Sony Alpha A7 IV secures its position as the 4th best Sony camera, offering a compelling choice for those entering the Sony ecosystem or seeking an upgrade from previous A7 series models. Boasting a robust 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, it delivers superior image quality and supports 4K 60 video with impressive 10-bit color depth. The inclusion of Sony's real-time tracking autofocus system, featuring eye detection for humans, animals, and wildlife, ensures sharper action shots compared to its predecessor, the A7 III, designed for photographers desiring more than entry-level specifications. The A7 IV caters to both still and video enthusiasts, leaning towards the latter. While some features may appear daunting to beginners, such as multiple flat video profiles, the camera accommodates growth by offering an auto mode. Standout features include stabilized full-frame imaging and video, 33-megapixel resolution for flexible cropping, 10 FPS subject tracking, configurable controls, and extensive subject recognition, spanning people, animals, and birds. The Sony Alpha A7 IV, priced at $24.98 US, emerges as the optimal full-frame camera choice for those seeking elevated performance, encompassing a diverse array of creative possibilities. Presenting the Sony Alpha 7R5, our third-ranked choice for the best Sony camera. Boasting Sony's highest-resolution full-frame sensor, this powerhouse delivers stunning 60-megapixel photos and impressive 8K video capabilities. One standout feature is the cutting-edge real-time tracking focus, utilizing AI-assisted subject recognition for people, wildlife, and vehicles at a remarkable 10 FPS. The camera's arsenal includes an ultra-sharp electronic viewfinder, EVF, a dual-hinge LCD, and a robust, weather-protected body for a comprehensive photography experience. Primarily catering to landscape and fine art photographers who thrive on selling large prints, as well as wildlife enthusiasts who often require detailed cropping for optimal views, the A7R5 is a pixel-packed marvel. For those seeking similar picture quality in a more travel-friendly form, consider the compact and budget-friendly A7CR. Key advantages of the Sony Alpha 7R5 include its stabilized 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, 7 FPS RAW capture at top quality, AI-driven smart tracking focus, a spacious and ultra-sharp EVF, a clever dual-tilting touchscreen, configurable controls, and a dual card slot supporting CFE, Type A, and UHS to SDXC. All these features come for $38.98 US. Discover the Sony Alpha 9 III, crowned as the second best Sony camera on the market. This cutting-edge device boasts the revolutionary world's first full-frame global shutter, featuring an Exmor RS sensor that exposes and reads all pixels simultaneously, eliminating distortion when capturing high-speed subjects. With a blackout-free 120 FPS continuous shooting capability and AI-driven subject recognition, this camera ensures the swift and accurate capture of decisive moments without any viewfinder blackout. Preserving split-second moments becomes effortless with a maximum shutter speed of 180,000 seconds, enabling users to freeze fast-moving subjects in any scenario. The full-frame backside illuminated 24.6 megapixel Exmor RS image sensor, equipped with stacked CMOS architecture and integral memory, guarantees distortion-free captures even for the most dynamic subjects. Enhancing its capabilities, the A9 III is powered by the evolved Bions XR image processing engine, providing up to 8 times more processing power. This results in minimized latency, heightened color gradation, realistic color reproduction, and reduced image noise. Experience this technological marvel for yourself at the price of $6,000 US. Introducing the Sony Alpha 1, crowned as the premier Sony camera, earning the title of #1 Best Sony Camera. This photographic powerhouse is aptly named, reminiscent of Tolkien's concept of one camera to rule them all. The Sony A1 boasts a 50-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, seamlessly balancing the high-resolution output and swift capture capabilities. With the ability to achieve full raw quality at an impressive 30 FPS, complete with subject tracking, it stands as the ultimate choice for demanding subjects like sports and wildlife. For video enthusiasts, the Sony A1 supports 10-bit 8K30, 4K 120 slow motion, and 16-bit 4x2x2 RAW output over HDMI. This camera is tailored for professional creators and affluent hobbyists. It dominates the hands of photojournalists, including those at the Associated Press, and graces the sidelines of NFL games. The autofocus system is exceptional, complemented by an Ethernet connection for swift on-location photo transfers. Whether capturing birds, wildlife, team sports, or delving into video production, the Sony A1's remarkable focus speed, pixel count, and versatile resolution options make it an unparalleled choice. Notable features include a stacked full-frame 50-megapixel sensor, 5-axis stabilization, a high-magnification viewfinder, and dual CF Express SDXC card slots. Elevate your photography and videography with the Sony Alpha 1, available at $6,498 US. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.